saan yan? Pag ano lang?
Yo, Jake, sabi, tatamaan ka. Ay, Diyos ko po.
Drop sila, wag ka bumitaw.
Kuya.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hola! Here's a quick rundown of our third day here in Palawan. Actually, free day namin today, no activities planned, kundi ang makapag-travel back to Puerto Princesa. Same route ulit ang daan kaya same stopover ulit sa Rojas pero this time, lunchtime naman. As what I've mentioned on our previous vlog, we'll be meeting a family friend na taga dito rin sa Palawan. Pagdating sa city, nag-check-in na rin muna kami here at Kira's Pension Inn. After makapag-freshen up, sinundo na kami nila Ninong Bob and sobrang warm ng welcome nila at ang daming inihandang food para sa amin. After dinner, tuloy pa rin ang kwentuhan. And that's how our day 3 went. A simple yet truly meaningful day made special by the people we spent it with. It's our fourth and final day here in Palawan, and for today, we're going on a city tour. Explore Puerto Princesa City Tour for as low as 600 pesos per person. First stop, the Mitra's Ranch. It is named after the late Senator Ramon Mitra. Here you can visit the Mitra's mansion or enjoy several outdoor activities. Of course, we didn't want to miss the fun, so we availed the adventure package for only 550 pesos per pax. Pero pwede pa rin ma-avail ang mga activities individually.
Okay. Sir, wag niyo masyadong buka yung paa niyo, sir. Dito yan. Legs up, straight up lang sir. Wag niyo ibababa kasi may hamster sa gitna. Okay. Maintain na nakaangat. Slide na, slide.
Kaya mo yan? Ikaw sa harap pa.
Ayoko, ikaw doon.
Ako pala guys sa harap. Saan ako hawak ko yan?
Legs up, straight up lang sir. Tapos sigaw ng konti. Sir, wag niyo lang ibababa yung paa niyo kasi may hamster dyan sa gitna.
Yes,
kailangan nakaangat lang. Okay?
Okay.
Legs up sir, straight up.
It looks pretty chill. And wow, mas mabilis siya kaysa sa inaakala namin. The whole slide took around 30 seconds pero grabe, ang bilis ng pagka-slide. Medyo steep siya tapos may humps pa along the way na parang nagpapatalbog sa'yo ng very light. Enough to make you scream and laugh at the same time. A perfect mix of thrill and fun.
Oh my God! Akala ko malalaglag ako!
Sabi niya, bakit nakatawa kayo? Hindi ito nakakatawa.
Tumalbog ano?
Patay ko, tumitili.
Nakakabay.
So yun yung end nung giant slide. Ito ay skywalk na ata ito.
Tayo dyan.
Hi! Kaway bebe, hi!
Sino muna ikaw?
Second activity, the skywalk. Mukha lang namang madali kasi you just need to walk across a suspended bridge. But once you're up there, it's a different story. Turns out, it's not as simple as it seems. You actually need to balance while the bridge slightly shakes with every step.
Kaya ko kayang mag-video ng tuloy-tuloy from here. Nope! Yan guys. So eto kami. Hirap na kami nag-asawa sa pagtawid. Hindi ka pala pwedeng sumuko, ano?
And one tip.
Mrs.
Don't look down. The view below can really make you dizzy, especially if you're not a fan of
Yung
heights.
mataas.
Halika lang, no. Hindi yan, madali lang.
Ugaw mo na si ate. Ugaw mo na. Si ate pala nang ugaw.
Oh, kamay mo na.
Pa naman.
Yay!
Sino takot?
Hirap!
Yay!
So next, si zipline kami.
O hindi na nga. Sabi ni Kuya, bawal to bumalik kasi.
Third activity, the zip line. When you first see it, hindi naman nakakatakot kasi hindi naman sobrang mataas and the ride is actually quite short.
Huwag kang kabahan.
Pamit na siya kay muna.
Oo, yan na.
Pamit.
Pinagtitiripan talaga kami. Kami pa talaga nagsabay.
While waiting for my turn, I was quietly standing on the side at pinalalakas ang loob.
Hindi ko na kaya ata.
Pero knowing na mag-isa lang ako, parang gusto ko nang umatras. As in, napakapit na ako kay kuya sa sobrang kaba ko.
Yung ako, okay lang yung bag ko,
Hindi mahulog yan, mama.
Pero wala rin naman akong choice, kaya tinuloy ko na rin.
Bye-bye, Mai. Love you.
Nanigas na lang talaga ako sa takot. As in literal, I was stiff the whole time. Hindi ko na rin nakuhang tumili sa sobrang takot. Finally, it was Kenneth's turn, and just like always, he totally enjoyed it. Cool, relaxed, and all smiles from start to finish. Fourth and final activity, the giant swing. This one was for the brave hearts. Walang iba kundi ang magkapatid.
Kuya!
Koy, tinrider ako ni Kuya.
I can only imagine the feeling na parang naiwan yung kaluluwa sa ere. That kind of sudden drop that makes your stomach flip and hindi mo na alam kung ihihiyaw mo na lang ba or maninigas ka na lang din.
Kuya, nag-iisa yung kasawa ko.
Pero at the end of it, they both said na nag-enjoy sila. A total adrenaline rush na worth it naman.
Oh, bakit
Hindi ka na kasi talaga makaka-emote.
Second stop of our city tour, the Baker's Hill. This place is one of the most popular stops in Puerto Princesa. It is also a well-known pasalubong center offering a variety of pastries freshly made every day. Perfect if you're planning to bring something home for family and friends. Quick trivia. Baker's Hill is actually known for their signature hopya. And fun fact, the owner of Baker's Hill is a cousin of the one behind Tipa's Hopya, which explains why their packaging looks quite similar. Aside from the baked goods, Baker's Hill also has a botanical garden style layout. The place is spacious,
Hello, Daddy.
relaxing, and filled with Instagrammable corners, perfect for photo ops.
Bye, Baker's Hill.
Our next stop, the Butterfly Eco Garden and Tribal Village. Maski umuulan, tuloy pa rin ang tour. Although the butterflies weren't very active that time, siguro dahil kakaulan lang, the whole place still had a peaceful, nature-filled atmosphere. They also have a mini animal zone where you can check out a few exotic creatures. Si Jex ang pinakamatapang sa aming lahat. He was so excited to try, no hesitations at all. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng mawawala ang mga turtles and crocodiles. Right after the garden, we headed to the tribal village.
So first, meron tayong Tagbanwa. Second, we also have yung mga Bataks natin. And then the third one are them. Sila po yung tinatawag nating Palawan tribe.
They prepared a short but fascinating cultural presentation for us. And isa sa mga pinaka-interesting part, they showed us how to make fire using only cotton and dried leaves. No lighters, no matches. Ganito daw talaga kasi sila gumawa ng apoy sa mountains. After the demo, we were able to take photos with the tribal families. Even with their pet snake, nakapag-photo op din kami. At syempre, si Jex ulit ang unang lumapit. He was so fearless at kayang-kaya niya talagang hawakan yung snake. Before leaving, we decided to grab crocodile sisig for takeout. We ordered the spicy version and we were all curious to find out how it tastes. It is surprisingly good. The meat is firmer than chicken but not as tough as beef. It's flavorful and cooked like your usual spicy sisig. A must-try if you're up for something unique and adventurous in Puerto Princesa. Fourth stop, Binuwatan Creations Weaving Center. This was a short but meaningful visit. They gave us a quick demo on how their hand-woven products are made. Here's a trivia. Binuwatan Creations is known for preserving traditional weaving techniques using local indigenous materials. Their weavers are mostly locals, which makes it a great example of community-based livelihood in Palawan. Fifth stop, Pasalubong Center. Before flying out, we made a quick stop to shop for souvenirs and local delicacies. Travel tip: if you're planning to buy cashew nuts, it's best to buy them in Roxas, lalo na kung babiyahe din naman kayo pa El Nido. Roxas is actually known as the cashew capital of Palawan, kaya mas budget-friendly doon. Our sixth stop, the Plaza Cuartel, a restored site from World War II. Dito nangyari yung Palawan Massacre in 1944, where over 100 American soldiers were buried alive by Japanese forces. Right beside it stands the Immaculate Conception Cathedral, a beautiful old church known for its Gothic-inspired design and peaceful atmosphere. Seventh and final stop, lunch at Noki Nox. This place is perfect for those who want a quick, nakakabusog, and budget-friendly meal. It's one of the locals' favorite go-to spots. Naka-display na lahat ng food items, so you just point and pick your combo. And the best part, for less than 200 pesos, you already get a complete meal with unlimited rice. And that marks the end of our amazing Palawan escape. Here's a quick recap of all the beautiful places we explored and the memories we'll be bringing home with us. watching! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss out on our next adventures. See you on our next videos!